Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you, I got a little present. What are you doing? Oh, the island upgrade. I got mw3. I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. So
it's just a game. I swear, you people. You people do the dumbest thing.
comes to the person who's playing Dead Island instead of mw3.
Dead Island was one of the most played games before Modern Warfare 3. So you know what? They're about even right now.
That's me. But I got the book.
You know how many people were waiting in line for Dead Island? Dude, when it came out, they said it'd be the best zombie game ever.
Didn't. I got the game.
Yeah, but then they forgot about Resident Evil 5, and then people started buying Resident Evil 5. So bam.
Yeah. A little bit of live commentary here. You can see all the missions on here. So, hope you guys liked the video. Hope to get some subscribes. So, see you. Bye.